We are pleased to show you the 2019 Murano. The peace of mind of award-winning safety, including a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety, comes standard with the Nissan Murano. Great fuel economy and a powerful V6 engine combine to deliver a refined driving experience. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, power lift gate, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, navigation system, leather upholstery, heated seats, heated steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.